Peace to the family, peace to you and yours. Brother Reptile, repping Know the Ledge. I am here with some good news. We're going to be starting a lecture series. First weekend of June 2nd on a Sunday. I'm going to be doing a live stream so the whole world could tap in. It don't matter where you at. It's going to start at 4 p.m. It's entitled American Gods, all right? It's going to be looking into the metaphysical, esoteric meaning behind this 400-year jubilee. We're going to be touching things that's going on in the world through the lens of hip-hop. Then right after that, a week later, Sunday in Houston, Texas, you got Red Pill, you got Blue Pill, you got Professor Griff. Fear of a Black Planet Part 2. That's our lecture series. The media manipulation of the black mind. So Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, all surrounding areas, I need y'all to pull up in Texas, June 9th, Sunday, June 9th. Be in the building at the Shape Center. We are here. Go to Eventbrite, put American Gods. Go to Eventbrite, put